Okay, well, here we go then. Today is my very first unboxing and video. Now, this has happened for a very good reason, and that is because I dropped my phone, my Samsung 7 Edge, and while the front of it looks all nice, the back of it now has damage to it. And I thought, why don't I get a new phone? So I am now today going to unbox and set up a brand new Galaxy Note 9. So this is cool. This is the first time. I've had a Note 4 in the past, and I liked it, and I missed it when I went to the S7 Edge. So here we go. This is the first time I've opened this. I assume it'll be much like any other Samsung box. Okay. How do we just cut that there? Okay. Okay. So in the package we have the normal thing here with the tool for ejecting the SIM card holder, and it also does the SSD card, not SSD, SD card. And here we have a quick start guide. Oh, it also comes with a cover. That's very good, because I almost bought one of those and said no, I will not do that. Okay, quick start guide, won't worry about that for the moment. And the phone itself, let's see, can I get this out without tipping it? No, I can't. Okay, so the phone itself, brand spanking. Now this one is actually for being loaded against the 2 Degrees network, and I'm on Vodafone network, so it should still work without any problems. I won't pull the stuff off yet. Let's have a look, see what else is in the box. The box comes with USB-C, so that's an adapter, as you can see, USB-A to USB-C. Comes with, look at that, adaptive fast charging. What doesn't come with adaptive fast charging straight out of the box? Any of the Apple phone products. No, they do not. Okay, there's the USB port there. What else is in here? Oh, here we go. Some headphones that I will probably never ever use. And a USB cable. Now, this is a USB A to C cable. So the USB A plugs into the charger, and because the new Samsungs have USB-C, that plugs in there on the bottom. Fantastic. what else have we got in here? We have got some extra buds for the headphones, and I have no idea what that is for off the top of my head. What is that? Ah, for the stylus, for the pen. Because this phone comes with a pen. So in here we have a couple of extra nibs for the pen. Lovely. Very good. Okay. Now what have we got here? What does this come with? This comes with SIM card slot, the Bixby button over here. You have the headphone jack, the pen, your microphone, one of the speakers, USB-C, and on the back you've got the cameras, the flash, and the fingerprint reader. Very good. Let's undo this. This is the 128 gig version. Didn't feel the need to pay out for the 512. Okay, my old phone, I will need to take out the SIM card and the SD card from my old phone. So that will pop out there like that, because it is a 2-in-1 holder. It's only a 32 gig SD card, but that's fine, and it's in the same place on the top. Not always the easiest things to play around with to get back in, although this new one seems to have like some sort of resistance bit that keeps the SD card and the SIM card in place so they don't just fall out, which is marvellous. So that just slides in, push it closed, and I should now be able to turn it on. There we go. Secured by Knox. Unfortunately, I could not find my old adapter, so we'll have to just start it up from scratch, from first go. So start English New Zealand, that's fine. Connected to the Wi-Fi. Connected, hurrah! I'll agree to all the above. Doesn't really matter if you do or not, because you have to. Checking for updates. Okay, while that happens, I will put the back cover on. There you go. rather than bore you with unneeded setup procedures using the magic of computers, I'll fast forward to the end. All done. There we have it, folks.